Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand that how to calculate the stock market monthly return using both simple average, that is arithmetic mean, and geometric mean. So now I have the Nifty 500 monthly return data over here, which I have downloaded from Yahoo Finance India. And you can see the monthly data for the financial year 18-19. Deliberately, I have inserted one more month data over here, that is 1st March 2018, so as to calculate the monthly return on 1st April 2018. Now, how I will calculate the monthly return? Simple monthly return, that is equal to current price divided by opening price or previous year or month price minus 1 equal to, that would give me the monthly return data. And you can see the monthly returns by double clicking. I have calculated. Now for your reference, I will put the formula here. This is the formula which I have used to calculate the simple monthly return. Now if I wish to calculate the average monthly return, I will use the average formula. And I will take the average of all these values, and you will see that there are 12 values, and on an average, what is my monthly return? It is this. And again, for your reference, I will write down the formula here which I have used. So this is the formula which I have used for calculating the monthly return. Next, if I wish to calculate the returns using the geometric mean, as we all know that arithmetic mean is mostly used, but it is used only because it is the simplest method. It has many limitations. Always a better method is to use is geometric mean, but we cannot apply geometric mean on negative values. So thereby first we have to calculate 1 plus return, that is equal to 1 plus this return. Then I will drag and draw, and I will get the 1 plus return. Now if I wish to calculate the monthly average geometric mean return, what I will simply do is equal to, I will use the formula of geometric mean, that is geo mean of all these values and minus 1. Why minus 1? Because here I have done deliberately 1 plus return, so I'm now deducting 1 from it. This would give me the monthly geometric mean return. Again, for your reference, I'm again writing the formula here. Okay. So on the basis of this, if you wish to calculate the annual return, simply what you have to do is equal to 1 plus this monthly average is the power 12 minus 1, and you will get the annual return. If you wish to have it in terms of percentage, so it is approximately 10%. Now equal to, again similarly, if you wish to calculate the annual return on the basis of geometric mean, we will take this value, this, raise the power 12 minus 1, and it will give you the geometric mean return. And you can see the difference in the return. This is 8%, this is 10%. And for again your reference, I will write down the formula here. So this is the formula which I have used to calculate the annual return. Hope this video is informative and useful for you. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.